Good evening, traders. Good evening, Philippines. Today is Tuesday, June 29th. And here's the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream should not be taken as an order to enter trades. I do not provide any sort of signal services. This live stream is strictly for educational purposes only, to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, like mostly everyone here is who is trading. So with that said, the overnight market, as you can see here, right here, is basically had, not much activity, not that much movement as well. Basically, your overall movement is to the upside. As you can see here, if I draw a trend line, you can see it is to the upside, and we continue going to the upside. So you can see here right now, here's the ETH VWAP, and here is the RTH VWAP. Price is just barely above both of them, above the RTH as well. It looks like it's beginning to look like it's gonna pull back or retrace back to the ETH level. Again, it's going to try to, there's a gap between the RTH and the ETH VWAP, and most likely it's going to try to close that gap. So with that said, you can see we have some resistance level that's going on right here right now. So we're looking at a range right now. So I don't want to be, I already had one trade and basically met my trading one contract. Basically met my profit goal. One trade for $200. Oops, let me see this here. Let me see here. Hold on, I got this wrong. Used the wrong tool. I'm not coordinated enough to be speaking and drawing at the same time. So I'm looking more of a rectangle, as you can see here. Like I said, there's the area right now where it's just basically going through that area. So we are in what we call a more of a channel. But what type of channel is it? So we're looking at this 4.5. We're choppy market, sideways market. That's what I meant to say. We're more of a sideways market right now, and it's more of a choppy market. And when you're in a choppy market, you try to avoid it, because you'll eventually chop your account up. And like I said, I've already made a trade here, and I'll enter it here, right here. You can see that blue one, and I exited here. I could have got more, I didn't know, but it's around 4.25 points. I don't know, I go for 5. Let's see what I got there. I think it's 4. Yeah, it's 4 points, not 4.25. Yeah, I can find it here. Right there. So 4 points times $50 is $200. So that's the gross. So I got 4 points that basically met my profit goal. Again, I'm trading one contract. My goal is basically 100 to 300, and I'm basically right there. So what I'm going to do is let's see if I can get another good setup here, and probably just see. Like I said, it's in a sideways market right now, and I'll just wait, sit in my hands, however long it's going to take, where I can get a high probability setup and away from this sideways market right now. Okay. So with that said, I will put this on mute, and we'll see what happens with this market. Again, now the price is below the RTH VWAP and above the ETH. We're in between the two VWAPs. So that should be it for me. Long day, slow market, that's why. Let me see here. I'm trying to get my... Yeah, it's pretty good. 337. We got 9, so... It's actually pretty good. I made around 300. This market is now going down. 300 net, to be exact, 301.68. Gross is 337.50. Minimize my losses, small losses, right? 5 ticks at least, or less. And if I look at this summary, there we are. Profit factor is 3.25, and I believe my right here 1.95, almost a 2-to-1 ratio, which is actually pretty good. Average winning trade is 97. Average losing trade is 50, so it ain't bad at all, close to 2-to-1. So enjoy the rest. Well, I guess it's morning here, and market's been slow. It's 2:42 a.m. and I'll let you guys go. Take care. God bless. And I'll talk to you guys later tonight for the Wednesday session. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.